Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to use the CoT PRO Wi-Fi cameras. Here is the CoT PRO Wi-Fi cameras, and as you see, I have inserted a 64 gigabit TF card to the camera. And first we need to connect the power supply to the camera, making sure. The next step, we need to press the reset button to reset the camera. Press the button for more than 5 seconds. Do it again. Once you hear this sound, it means the camera has been successfully reset. Now put it on the table. The next, we need to run the app and go to Google Play or Apple iStore to install the app. And I have already installed it, and click the CoT PRO app to run it. Now the camera keeps making doo-doo sound. It means the camera is ready for setup, so we click plus icon. Then we choose smaller Wi-Fi setup. And click next. The next step. Okay, my smartphone is not good. The next step. Okay, just wait. We need to input the password of the Wi-Fi. Which is so the next step, click next. Now the app is trying to establish the connection. So when you hear another sound, this means the camera is trying to communicate with the app. We just need to be patient to let the process complete. Then we input the default password 123, and anyway we can name it. And okay, not this one. Click save. So I have successfully added the camera. And I can on and disarm. Go to camera settings, and here you can see the micro SD card. We should format it. Okay. Now the camera is formatting the TF memory card. So it shows we have 64 gigabit. Okay, it's around 6100 anyway. 61,000. Let's watch the video. You can watch the video, right? So you can choose the mode, blah blah, etc. Okay, that's all.